Hi! In front of me is Nubia Red Magic 8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down just a bit to access more features. Following that, tap on one-handed mode. Scroll down and select one of your navigation methods, navigation keys or full screen gestures. I have navigation keys, I have to click here and click on one-handed mode in order to assign it. Now follow all of those instructions. The scoped long press. So when I do that, as you can see, one-handed mode is on. You can always scale it by holding one of its corners and dragging it. If you want to change placement of it, tap on this white dot on the bottom left corner or bottom right one. If you want to go back to the standard size screen, just click on this dark area. If you wish to disable one-handed mode completely, click on navigation method again and select one of the available options. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!